The VenWizard software program for the PC800 control retrofit of Amada Press Brakes is designed to be truly user-friendly for setup, programming, and operation of a CNC press brake, with all the functions that you require located in the top ribbon of the program. The punch and die screen allow for easy creation of new tools. Programming of new parts can be done with 2D graphics with graphical simulation of the bending operation. Pictures and notes can be easily imported to guide the operator in correct part bending details. Calibrate the ram and back gauge in one simple screen. To check out a machine alarm, simply click on the maintenance screen. Add new materials easily on the materials screen. And that's how simple it is to program, set up, and run parts in our graphical PC Windows-based CNC control retrofits. For more information on our PC-based control retrofits for CNC press brakes, call or email us at the following contact info.